Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. My name is Crystal. I'm a part-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, and I send things to the ThredUp and the RealReal. Today is going to be a B&G unboxing video, which I know you guys love because, again, like I said in my last video, my previous B&G unboxing video is the video that has done the best since I started YouTube. So I ordered another box and I'm going to unbox it with you guys today. I'm going to give you a little bit of information about the box before we get into the unboxing, and then we're going to see what we got. So first and foremost, I do want to say that I used a discount code from El Ducho, and the code is El Ducho, ELDUCHO. And it gave me 20% off, I think. So when all is said and done, I paid $89.06 for this box, and that includes shipping. And it was premium returns. So these items have been worn, or like potentially have been worn. They were sent out and then they were returned. So I don't know what that means. I don't know what that looks like. The previous box that I got was supposed to be new with tags. So this is the first time I've done a return box. I have no idea what to expect. I haven't watched a ton of unboxings that have returns in them. So your guess is as good as mine with what we're gonna get. Also, this is my backdrop for my pictures. This is Molly right here. She likes to say hey because I don't really use her anymore. I pretty much hang everything on my hangers. So Molly doesn't get used a lot, so sometimes she pops up in videos. So, all right, I'm gonna show you the box so that you can kind of gauge. I don't even know if you can tell on video like the size or whatever, but I'm gonna show you anyway. Okay, so this is the box. I don't know like what size it is, but it was shipped UPS ground. And I will tell you, it took a long time for this box to get here. I didn't actually like count, but it was probably close to a month, I feel like. So this box is not open yet. I'm gonna go ahead and open it right now. Also, sometimes people tell me you should get a box cutter. You're right, I should, but I don't have one, so I'll use this knife and we'll see what we've got. We're almost there, goodness. All right, so I'll give you first glance inside the box. Not super impressed, honestly, first glance, because it's not even really packaged up well. It just looks like they threw a bunch of stuff in here. So anyway, maybe YouTube will grab this as the thumbnail. Okay, so they give you this card and it has their B&G information on it. Thank you very much for your order. It tells you who picked your order and how many items you're supposed to get. And then on the back, I believe that this is just for the people who are picking so that they know that they have the right amount of items in here. So this is just a 10-piece box. And then they give you your receipt as well. And like I said, this was $89.06. So, but it tells you what it is. So this is women's apparel premium returns. It's supposed to be a $60 plus MSRP for each item. So that's cool. All right, well, let's get into it. I don't even know. This looks like a dress to me, which means it's going to be really long and hard to show. So, hooray. This is like a ball gown. Very heavy and not at all things that I usually sell. Where's the tag? Okay. It's plus size though. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let me show you the tag. It's Escape, size 20 wide. I've never heard of this brand. I assume it probably got returned because of some beading issues, because it's got a lot of beading on it. But it has extra beads with it. So it's just like it's a very cute, like detailed top. I might actually, this might fit me, so I might actually try it on and model it. It's like a peplum waist here. And it is a full length dress. So like this would be something you'd wear to a wedding, I think. for like a prom, which I don't really do great with items like that. I've had a couple prom dresses that I haven't sold, so I don't know. Mixed feelings about that. Moving on. I hate white. I hate white because it means there's almost always a stain. We'll see. Okay, this is Endless Rose. This came in my last B&G box as well. It doesn't sell for a ton. Here's a. This is a size small, and it's just a white. I don't see any stains. That doesn't mean there isn't any, but it's like nice embellished top. I think the arms are sheer. It's interesting. It's cute for winter. I'm okay with that. It's a size small. It's like a floral, like embroidered. I don't know if you can see like the texture. It's very textured. Yeah. Okay. Not mad at it. Next is a coat. It is a coat. Okay, this is Lauren Rolf Lauren, I don't know. This looks like a trench coat. This is a size small. It's like a blush pink raincoat. That's cute. Yeah. I don't see any flaws. And it's got extra buttons attached to it. I wonder if it was just returned because it didn't fit right or something. It's very cute. Okay. 2 out of 3 ain't bad so far. So I'm pretty happy. Okay, jeans. No. Well, we'll see. Okay. I'm going to tell you. This is INC straight leg. It's also a size 2, which is a very, very tiny size. They're distressed straight leg jeans. They're okay. Like, I can probably get something for them, but okay, with 10 items, this is what I'm going to say. With 10 items in this box, and the box costing $89, each item cost me almost $9 a piece, which is very high when you shop mostly at the bins or even like Goodwills. So jeans is the one exception to that because, oh, this is a raw hem too. Okay. So it's got that going for it. Jeans, if I buy them at the regular Goodwill, are usually $7.99. So $8, that's only $1 more. There's not a whole lot of difference in that. However, I would not have picked these up in the regular thrift store. So there's that. All right. So I'm like half happy, half not. Okay. Next, this looks like a romper of some kind. I don't see a tag. Oh, yes I do. Okay, this is Endless Rose again. Last time I sold a romper from them for like 25 bucks, so that's probably what I'm going to get. I'm not going to show you the tag again. It's also falling off. This is a long sleeve sheer floral romper. Let me back up and see if you can see it. So it's got it's like elastic hem. The one thing that I do have to test out, because last B&G box, I got a lot of complaints when I sent them out that the zipper wasn't working. And that seems to be the case with this one. Oh, no, this one works. But definitely test your zippers if you're buying any B&G stuff. Because I got, I think, 3 or 4 people saying, hey, my zipper doesn't work. Okay, I've been like avoiding this piece because I hate sequins, but okay, this is a dress. Interesting. This looks like very New Year's Eve to me. It's Free People, of course it is. I don't like selling Free People, but some people do. You know what the Free People tag is like. It's a size 0. It's a sequin purple dress with like velvet trim. This is very New Year's Eve. And it's almost July, so but the back is interesting. I'm sure that there's a pretty stock photo for this, but I can't sell Free People to save my life, so. Moving on. Oop, I heard something. That means something is loose. A button or a bead. Okay, this is Sanctuary. I also got this in my last B&G box, and it sold pretty well. It was a pair of jeans. This looks like a dress, maybe. That's the... I think sometimes Sanctuary is sold at Revolve, but don't quote me on that. Alright, this is just a dress. I'm like 100% not going to be able to show you this the right way. It needs to be buttoned up and then tied. It's like trench coat type, I think, with this like burnt orange color. I'm okay with that. Once I actually set it up and it looks nice, I think I should have no problem with that one. Okay, looks like another dress. I have noticed in both of my boxes, B&G loves dresses. This is Mason Jewels. I actually started getting this from somebody I work with in a donation. That was the first time I'd ever heard of this brand, but apparently it's sold at Nordstrom or Revolve or somewhere. This is a sleeveless. Is it button down? Button. Yep. Dress. It's like, it looks like it has one tier. It also looks like it came with a belt, but the belt is not in here. So I'll just have to disclose that. So far that brand hasn't been like a huge seller for me, so again, not something I probably would have picked up for this price, but I've never heard of this brand. It's called Chelsea 28. If you know anything about it, leave me a comment. Can you see it? Come on. Focus. Okay. Size small. This is like maroon V-neck sweater. And this looks like it's the last piece. It's very chunky and very pilly. This looks very Free People-y. This is called 11-6, made in Peru. Okay. It's a very long, I don't know if it's considered a dress or just like a really long sweater. It's like a knit. Just like a knit sweater. I'm going to say sweater dress. I have absolutely no idea about this brand, so could be good, could be not. Don't know. All right, we're going to count now. So overall impressions with this box, meh. I mean, I don't have any inventory, so honestly, like, this is fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so I got what I ordered, which is great. I didn't see any major flaws. Hold on a second, I have to grab my coffee. It's just like staring at me, but I didn't want to drink it while I was unboxing because you never know if you might spill or not. But anyway. It's starting to get cold. Okay, so yeah. I didn't see any major flaws, which is a good thing. Especially for $9 a piece. I don't know. I'm going to go ahead when I'm editing this video and try and find some comps on these. And then maybe total it up and put like a total here for like projected sales, like gross sales. And see what I'm projecting to make from this box. So again, B&G I think is a good alternative to thrifting if you're still not going to the thrift stores for whatever reason, or if you're not finding things at thrift stores. So I'm not going a ton because obviously I don't want to be out in public for like more than I need to be. So I've been going and like giving myself a time limit, and I have not been finding a lot of stuff. I find a couple pieces here and there, but overall like not enough to sustain my business. So luckily I do have girls at work that are giving me donations because that is really helping me right now put up like a good amount of listings. But if I was just relying on the thrift stores, I wouldn't be able to do it. So B&G is a good alternative. There is another box company called Jomar, I think. I've heard mixed things about it. So obviously some of our more popular YouTubers have done videos about it and they did not have great success. And then there are some popular Instagram people that have done it and have had good success. So I don't know if maybe they like cultivate the box because they know who you are, or maybe those couple people just got a couple bad boxes. Maybe they're getting better. I don't really know. I'm actually thinking about purchasing a box from them and doing a video review just to see. Again, I need some inventory in, so I'm doing a bunch of this different stuff just to try it out. And then I want to share with you guys to see and give you information about how you can also do it. So these times are weird. And we've just got to do what we've got to do to keep our businesses moving in the right direction. I do think that reselling is going to take off again. I mean, like, it's already kind of taken off, obviously, but I feel like it's going to just like increase because people are worried about their jobs and they are worried that like job stability and stuff like that. So I don't know that the economy will go completely down, but I do think that people are going to start trying to buy used clothes or new clothes on sites like Poshmark and eBay because they are significantly cheaper, and that's good news for us. So if you are looking for inventory, try one of these boxes. There's also a girl on Instagram, I can't remember her name, Megan maybe, that's doing something called a bolo box, which looks very similar to a B&G box, honestly. So if you want to support somebody local, not local, but like somebody that you know, like an actual person, then I mean that's a good option as well. I'll try and find her information and link it in the bio. So that's another option as well. So just get creative with your sourcing until you can get back to the thrift stores, because that's what I'm going to plan on doing. And I'm going to take you guys along for the ride and let you know what we're doing and how it's working. So we're coming up just on 3 months about for that last B&G box. So I will be planning to film a follow-up to let you know how many items have sold in the past 3 months and what they sold for and all of that. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and hit that little bell notification. You'll get notified every time I upload a video, and that's really helpful if you're watching for a specific video. Also, if you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you're brand new here, just watching, or if you've been here for any length of time and you haven't subscribed, please consider hitting the subscribe button. I really appreciate all that support. That does help me out in the YouTube algorithm. And obviously, like, I don't pull any punches. I'm trying to get monetized, and obviously having the subscriber count is something that counts towards that. So, yeah, please consider subscribing. That really does help me out, and I appreciate it. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I hope you guys are having a great week. I hope that the weekend brings you lots of sales, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you next time. Bye.